Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Lexus RX 350 with a dead battery. First, locate the hidden mechanical key within your key fob. It's usually a small button or switch to release it. Once you have the key, insert it into the driver's side door lock cylinder. Turn the key clockwise to manually unlock the door. This method bypasses the electronic system entirely, granting you access. After gaining entry, you'll need to open the hood to provide auxiliary power. Locate the hood release lever, typically found on the lower left side of the driver's dashboard. Pull this lever firmly to release the primary hood latch. Then, go to the front of the vehicle, find the secondary latch under the hood's edge, and lift the hood. Secure it with the prop rod. Now, it's time to supply temporary power. Locate the remote positive terminal under the hood, often covered by a red cap. Connect the positive jumper cable to this terminal. Then, attach the negative cable to a sturdy, unpainted metal part of the engine block or chassis, serving as a ground point. This provides enough power to operate the electronic locks. With temporary power connected, you should now be able to use your key fob to unlock the doors electronically. Once inside, start the engine and allow it to run for at least 10 to 15 minutes to recharge the battery sufficiently. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This ensures your battery gets a good initial charge before you drive off.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.